Many of our lovely alumni, ladies, who have graduated from our programs over the last 8 years. We graduated 207 professionally trained and certified. It's an enterprise. We are looking for all our freelancers to do well for them, to do well for their families, to connect with us so that we grow and develop with them as the agency, and eventually we would like them to take over and to run the enterprise as opposed to just work for the enterprise. So we are quite hopeful that this will evolve in something even more inclusive, even more women for women as time goes by, and we will learn throughout the period of time as to what shape it takes and how it takes.
This is the language mentor at CVAP. So, as Dara mentioned earlier, we have been thinking about